Here's how to open this package like a pro. Now, the first thing you're gonna need to do is you obviously want to open it just like so. Now, you can just undo it like so. It's gonna open up like a book. And you can see right here, there are the pill capsules right there. And you're basically gonna wanna break off this section right here. You can use scissors to do so, or you can just rip it off like this. This will make it easier so you can actually open the pills. And once you've actually taken off this section, you can see right here, we wanna flip it around. And you're basically going to want to fold it like this. You can see how they're slowly opening up like so. And basically, when you fold it like this, just fold it in half like this. You can see they're automatically starting to open up. Now, you're going to want to squiggle it just a little bit so you can loosen them up a little bit. And you can see right here, basically, they're going to open like so. And you can actually just peel it open, peel it up like so. And you can see it easily opens, so you can easily take it out, and that takes like 10 seconds. But yeah, basically you just want to fold the package in half, and then you can actually just pull up on one end. In doing so, you can access the pills. If you get something like this, you might need to peel a second time and just loosen up the package like so. And basically just pull down, and you can see we can access it like so, and you can easily take it out. But that's the easiest way by far to open up one of these. If you found this helpful, consider leaving a like down below and subscribing if this is helping you, because I'm on like my first week. But yeah, that's how you open it.